now. You were saying the history about the stone.
Well, if you think the castle down here is old, you'll find that these standing stones date anywhere between 2,500 BC
Wow.
and not later than 800 BC. Now this isn't the original one, this is one I made up.
Okay.
It's so interesting. But there's a little bit of interesting history behind it because they've got they were introduced by the Pictish people, ancient people of Scotland.
Yeah.
And didn't have a written language, so they left no history at all. But they left all these flaming stones around it. No, but eventually managed to find out what they were all about. You see, if you look at the top, this tells us that the person who is a member here was a member of the Serpent.
I see.
Or clan, or whatever you want to call them. They didn't call them tribes. And here, this is a broken arrow. Here's the tip.
Yeah, I see the tip.
And this indicates that this person has died.
Oh, the broken status of it. Yeah.
And the two discs indicate that he's passed from one world to the next.
Really?
And on the bottom, there is a comb and a mirror. And that tells us that his wife put this here too, in memory of.
Interesting.
That is insane. I've never seen something like that.
But the actual science is far more extensive than that. That's just a thing, just an example.
So
That is. That's very interesting.
just landmarks in various places along the way.
Just in the most unusual places, usually in quite remote areas.
Yeah.
Nancy and Tom, they came and they did a walk in mid-Scotland. And I got a photograph of Nancy standing in front of three of these things. This height above them, huge.
I know they enjoyed that visit and that walking tour. They had the best time and saw such neat things.
The signs painted on the road.
Okay.
Just go
Okay.
right around.
We're just going to go completely in a circle, but once we're over it,
But you see, that's the road you would normally
that's the
go.
one we'll go. Okay.
And when you get down to the bottom of the bridge, it's about 1.25 miles long.
I keep
You
going.
turn, yes, you go.
Okay. So, okay, when I get
When
across.
you get to the end of the bridge, turn left.
Okay, got it. Get to the end of the bridge, turn left.
Yeah.
And then we'll be on our A9.
And you'll be on the A9 to
Okay.
Perth. And when you get to Perth, you come back over the river on another high bridge, smaller than that one though. And immediately you come off that bridge, you'll find that there is a road branching off to your left, immediately after the bridge. And that will point to the M90.
Okay.
Carry on right round Perth, don't enter the town at all, and you come to another big roundabout, and your road will then revert to the A9.
Okay.
So you go from A9, M90 round the town, then the A9, and it will be marked Inverness.
Okay. That was, coming over from Edinburgh, what messed us up sometimes is that we saw the markings when we were going. There were like two different markings that would say you're going to St. Andrews, so you could take two different routes. But when we saw, my tendency was to take the first one that I saw because I didn't know there would be another one.
Yeah.
So we don't know if we took a wrong turn or a right turn. But
We're taking a left turn here, Steve.
Okay. This way?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. St. Andrews.
Okay.
So that's it. Once you reach that roundabout, it's virtually straight over the river.
Okay. Okay, good.
Turn left to that other end of the bridge. And then there's a very flat road all the way. Follows the river, but you can't see it too well because it's behind fields, etc.
they all sound very simple. I mean, excuse me, very complex until you've done them a few times, and then they seem simple.
Of course.
Oh, that's pretty over there. Some kind of a.
There's more and more of the countryside being put under these polytunnels, and it's so that we can get fresh vegetables for a longer, much longer period in the year.
I see. Yeah.
They're just that much warmer and drier instead of being in the cold, howling blizzards that we get here.
Right.
In the winter.
Right, and they can control the climate in there, really.
Yes. Yes.
Very innovative.
Huge areas though. But then of course we've got the mechanical problem thereafter, Steve, of keeping them irrigated.
Right.
Couldn't get a natural rain in.
That's right. Yeah. So they have probably some kind of a piping in there, and it mists throughout the area. Yeah, it will take a little while, but this will become second nature to you, Emily. But you know, it'll take a little while.
Oh, just like you. Now that you're accustomed.
About the time I'm ready to turn the car in.
A naturalized driver. You'll be shaking your fist at American drivers in no time, Dad.
That's right. They better watch out when I get back to America. They better watch out. I'm going to be on the left side of the road all the time.
I'll have to come get you out of jail when we get home.
I used to drive a lot on the continent at work, and I didn't find it too difficult driving on the right-hand side, except on one occasion only. I had to call in for fuel, and the petrol station was built right on a roundabout like that. Because I just came out coming the wrong direction. Right into the face of the traffic all coming around.
Oh no.
Luckily nothing hit me, and I didn't hit any of these.
That's when you realize that, you know, I'm in a difficult situation.
Yes.
Who was it? You don't remember, I'm sure. I don't know if it was played in the UK, but do you remember The Life of Riley?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Do you know what he used to say? He used to say, what was it that he said? He said, what? It was not a precarious. He said, what a precarious predicament. Oh no, what was it? What did he used to say? He used to say, what a revolting situation this is, or something like that. But anyway, he used to always have that. That was a long time ago, Emily, way before.
Wow,
that was probably in the 50s.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. St. Michael's.
Normally this road isn't as busy as this, because of this road being shut down.
Right.
Here.
This is basically the bypassing all of this Dundee area.
There's a neat little hole, Steve, from the top of the hill right down to the bottom.
Oh yeah, I see that. I wonder how many people scull a ball and hit it into the road.
Well, I was once playing up there in a team against Burnt Island Railway people, and one of their members stood in the tee there with a 3-wood.
Oh wow.
And whopped it right over the crossroads and right out of the course.
We've got a hole at our course that's number 9 is it's a dogleg right, and they built a subdivision with houses in the dogleg, and so they have a sign that says, "Be careful, do not cut corner. Children are at risk."
Oh, I see.
And so people always do that, and they cut the corner and try to do that. And of course, if they think they're professional golfers, so they can do that. Well, they miss it, and they hit houses, and they hit different things. So they constructed a big net up there to try to catch any balls, stray balls that came through to hit one of the houses.
Yes.
So this is the beginning of Dundee?
No, this is Leuchars.
This is Leuchars, okay. That's right. Leuchars.
We came up the road from the right, Steve, but we're going straight ahead here.
Okay. That'll be good. Straight ahead.
Yes.
Okay.
We're going up this very tight little street on the left-hand side. You can see where the blue arrows are.
Over here?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
There's pictures.
The Leuchars.
Literally at the drive-in.
And it really see a little bit better. This is the parish church.
Okay.
This is your church?
This is the parish church, and this is one that I'm a member of, but actually,
Oh, this right here. Should I turn to the right?
yeah, we're going right.
Okay.
It's interesting. It's 1144. It was consecrated.
1144.
One of the furthest north points that the Normans reached.
Wow. Being
Turning left.
completely restored. You're holding service. Go to the left. Are you
Yes.
having services in it while it's being restored?
No,
Okay.
it's just recently been totally closed.